Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good and fine. So today our topic is that how you can apply filters in your CapCut. Okay, so let's dive into the session. But before going to the video or before I doing that, I will really request you to like and subscribe and share my video. Okay, so let's start. So as in my recent last video I told you about the transition, and this in this video we will be discussing the filters. So let's suppose if you just see on the top of your screen there are different options. Here is filter option. You will go on that option, okay, and you will see that bunch of filters will come up on your screen. These all are filters um, you can see if you click this filters option, you can see featured, live filters, scenery filters. But don't get worried because whenever you will open that, it will take a little bit time to open, and you can see that bunch of filters over your screen. Okay, I will just try to show you all these filters so you might know that how what type of filters are over here. Okay, so let's suppose we can just pick the featured filter, and then we can click any of them, maybe this one, this clear one. Okay, now if we just click plus option, there here you can see on the screen that there is a bar have just came up on my timeline. So you can see that you can see the difference over the screen, that when there is a bar, it's totally like looking perfect. Whenever the bar is cutting, it means your filter is just up to this point. So to increase this, you just have to, whenever you will just hover your mouse at the end of this like this bar, you can see this is changing. It's just changing itself. So what we will do, we will come here, we will just click this, and we will just increase this bar up to the end of the clip, and here it comes. Now you can see that it's totally applied on all of your screen. Okay, so we can just delete this and we can look some other okay, just click this one. We can try this one. Okay, now you can see that it's also just giving you a preview that how might your video or your clip can look good with that filter. So like if I click on this one, it will show me like it's looking that like this. If I click on this, it will preview me like this. But to apply on this screen or on your video, you just have to click on the plus icon. Like you can see when I just come to this screen, it says me add to track. I will just click this, and I will just increase this just I have did before. I will increase this one, and ta-da, it's applied. So let me make it this screen bigger. Like right now you see I know it's looking a little bit fussy, but it's I have to show you that how you can apply the filters. Yeah, one thing more, one thing more is that whenever you will apply the filters over here, after that on the right of your screen you can see the filters properties, filter parameter. You can see filter parameters. So if you have to just manage or increase or decrease its strength, you can just decrease up to, maybe I think so 50 is perfect. Yeah, it's looking good now, looking perfect. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye.